Welcome back to my homestead. Got some branches down from a storm. We're going to be chopping it up with the chainsaw, and I'm going to show you that one later in the video. Other than that, about 45 degrees out. Not too bad. See you when I get back. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my homestead. Today, I know it's not much, just one little limb. I have a battery operated chainsaw. It's a 40-volt Lynx, which I got from Harbor Freight a little over a year ago. Got tired of pulling on the rope all the time, and you know, when you have off-ride, it's a little hard to do some things. So, let me show you the saw. 14 inches. Kind of looks like a regular gas, but it has a battery that just slides into the end of the handle. Has a little gauge on it, let you know how much juice is on it. Chains, I've been able to find on Amazon. Harbor Freight discontinued these things. I cut up 2 trees about 20 foot long, 12 inches diameter on one charge. And the neighbor says, "When'd you cut that?" And I go, "This morning." It don't make much noise, not like a chainsaw, not like a gas chainsaw. So let me get you set up and I'll show you how well it cuts. I don't have a fireplace or even a pit or anything, but to keep your keep your landscape up, keep it clean, not like a clean yard. So let's see how well it does. Well, not bad for oak, even though it's hollow in the middle. There we have it. 14-inch Lynx, Harbor Freight chainsaw. Around here, when you got a town of Hazel across the street, try to be quiet even on a Sunday morning or night. It's great to have around for when there's storm damage like we'll always have. And this thing here I just made up just a piece of rope, 2x6. So all this stuff here I'm going to put around a stump that I'm trying to get rid of. I didn't have any sawhorses, and well, when you're level alone, it's hard to get any help, especially on a Sunday. Use what you can, do with what you have. It's been a slogan my dad's been telling me for years. And I just put it in a bucket and I'll take it over and put it on the pile. So maybe we can get that stump burnt up a little more. So it's not much, but at least it's every little thing that I do around here to keep it up. The barn's the biggest project. for the winter time, doing a lot of building in there. So there'll be future videos. So please hit the like button if you like this content. Subscribe and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.